Today, list of groceries, a list of shoes, but don't use any name brand people stores.
Alright. So first we're going to start by highlighting what our categories or whatever. I'm going to put them in bold.
And remember, we couldn't, we can't do that first. We can highlight it and put filters up there first. And they column, the gray and white. Because remember, it put column under our category and quarter. So you got to do, go. Okay.
We want to put our columns in gray and white. Gray and white. We're going to need about 4, 5, 6, 7. Never know. Do 7. Category is going to be about. Let's see. Clothes. Okay, clothes. Wait, I lied. Shoes. Not going to put the real name brand because I'm going to put the word but except not including the first letter. What's another name brand shoe? What's another name brand shoe?
What'd I tell you? Oh, that's fine. That's enough.
Okay. We're going to say in quarter 1 that Ike's made.
Different. You could make a lot more. You made $50,000, $75,000. Dang. I ain't worth for nobody. One small, fat ass. That man was a snob.
Well, you telling my granddad business.
My daddy he was a snob. Oh my God.
I'm sure. Duh. You see how many cars he was finna buy at the dealership? Okay. Ike's made $3 million. The first quarter. Ordnance made $190,000 first quarter. E-Box made $50,000. Uchi's made $160,000 first quarter. Vise made $45,000. $3 million is what Ike's made first quarter. $190,000 first quarter is what Ordnance made. $50,000 was what E-Box made first quarter. $160,000 was what Uchi's made first quarter, and $45,000 was what Evi's made first quarter. let's move on to the second quarter. Ike's made let's see, they made 2,000,000 and 99. Oop, my bad. $2,999 and Z and $345. What Ike's made. The second quarter, they went down a little bit. The second quarter, what Ordinance made was $999,000. Second quarter. E-Box made $25,000. Second quarter. Uchi's made $50,000. Second quarter. Eli's made $15,000. Second quarter. So after we put our numbers in for the first quarter and the second quarter, we're going to put in our code or some, our code. Our code for this one will be, for the first one at Ike's, it will be equal sum, all capital, open parentheses, B2 semicolon, C2 close parentheses, and then you push enter, and then it'll add up all of them, all like for the whole everything. It'll add up everything, and then that is the total they made for first and second quarter all together. So 3,000,000 plus $2,999,345 equal $5,999,345 is what Ike's made. Plus Ike's made first and second quarter added together. $1,189,000 is what Ordinance made first and second quarter put together. $75,000 is what E-Box made first and second quarter to put together. $210,000 is what Uchi's made the first and second quarter put together. Then $60,000 is what Eli's made first and second quarter put together. That's it.